Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. My name is Sapna Sangure, Assistant Professor AISS MS, College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. I welcome you all for today's topic on religious dietary influences. We will learn in this its consideration and constraints. Objectives. What are the objectives of this topic? By the end of session, student can learn to understand that people choose different foods due to their religion. They can also recognize the variety of food consumed by people or customer of different religious views. To know that regardless of religious view, it is important to eat a balanced diet for good health. Introduction. Culture and religious dietary influences. Various faiths have differing requirements with regard to the dishes, ingredients that may be consumed, and these requirements often also cover preparation methods, cooking procedures, and the equipment used. Religion Hindus. The word Hindu is derived from the Indo-Aryan and Sanskrit word Sindhu, which means a large body of water covering river ocean. It was used as the name of the Indus River and also referred to its tributaries. Hindus do not eat beef and pork. Some Hindus will not eat any meat, fish, or eggs. Diet may include cheese, milk, and vegetarian dishes. Next religion, Jewish. Jews or Jewish people are an anthro-religious group and a nation originating from the Israelites and Hebrews of historical Israel and Judah. Jewish generally these people who eats or consume only clean animals. Jews do not eat pork or pork products. Shellfish or animal fats and gelatin from beast considered to be unclean or not slaughtered according to the prescribed manner. Next religion, Muslim. Muslims are people who follow or practice Islam, a monotheistic Abraham religion. Muslims consider the Quran, their holy book, to be the word of God as revealed to the Islamic prophet and messenger Muhammad. The derivation of Muslim is from an Arabic word meaning submitter. They will not eat meat, offal, or animal fat unless it is halal. Halal. What is the meaning of halal? It is a lawful as required under Islamic dietary law. Meat. Will not consume alcohol even when used in cooking. Next religion, Sikh. Sikh is a monotheistic religion that originated in the Punjab region of the Indian subcontinent around the end of the 15th century. Six people do not eat beef or pork. Some will keep to a vegetarian diet. Others may eat fish, mutton, and cheese and eggs. Sikh will not eat halal meat. Rastafarians. Rastafarians religious have distinctive codes of behavior and dress, including the wearing of dreadlocks and the smoking of cannabis, and they follow a diet that excludes pork, shellfish, and milk. They will not eat any processed foods, pork, or fish without fins, and they will not consume tea, coffee, or alcohol. Roman Catholic. Next religion. Roman Catholic is a term sometimes used to differentiate members of the Catholic Church in full with the Pope in Rome from other Christians who also self identify as Catholic. Few restrictions on diet usually will not eat meats on Ash Wednesday or Good Friday. Some keep with the past requirement for no meat to be eaten on Fridays. Fish and dairy products may be eaten instead. Vegetarianism. What is that? Vegetarianism may derive from cultural, religious, moral, ethical, or psychological considerations. It is therefore important that food descriptions are accurate. Forms of vegetarianism. There are the different forms of vegetarians. A first one is vegetarians semi one, vegetarians lacto, next one is vegetarians lacto, next vegans and fruitarians. Now here we will discuss about vegetarianism semi one. What all this? Do not they are generally not eating red meats or all meats other than poultry or all meats. Diet will include fish and may include dairy product and other animal products. Vegetarians lacto ovo. Vegetarians lacto ovo is a vegetarian who consumes some animal products such as eggs and dairy. They do not consume fish or other seafood. They do not eat meat, fish, or poultry but may drink milk, eat milk products, and eggs. Next is vegetarian lacto. A lacto vegetarian diet is a diet that includes vegetables as well as dairy products such as milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, ghee, cream. In India, lacto vegetarian is considered synonym to vegetarian, while eating eggs is considered a form of non vegetarian diet. They do not eat meat, fish, poultry, and eggs but may drink milk and eat milk products. Vegans. Vegans is the practice of abstaining from the use of animal products, particularly in diet and an associated philosophy that rejects the commodity status of animals. An individual who follows the diet or philosophy is known as vegan. They do not eat any food of animal's origin. Diet will mainly consist of vegetables, vegetable oils, cereals, nuts, fruits, and seeds. Fruitarians. Fruitarians is a subset of dietary veganism that consists of a diet of entirely or primarily fruits in the botanical sense and possibly nuts and seeds but without animal products. Fruitarian diets are subject to numerous criticism and health concerns. More restricted form of vegetarianism excluded are all foods of animal origin together with pulses and cereals. Diet may include mainly raw and dried fruits, nuts, honey and olive oil. Ethical influences. Customers have become increasingly aware of ethical issues such as they ensure sustainability of food consumed, there should be a fair trade, the acceptability or otherwise of genetically modified foods or irradiated foods, reducing the food packaging and food waste, reducing the effect of food production and transportation on the environment generally. The seasonally and locally sourced foods are available and they help in a food service business. The benefits can include they can improve a menu planning as suppliers can give information in advance on what they are able to provide. They can also give a more reliable product and service with a greater flexibility to respond to customer needs. They can increase the marketing opportunities through making a feature of using locally sourced food. And they can also support for training of staff from local suppliers. Quiz. Please like and subscribe the channel. Also attempt the small quiz related to the topic through the link provided in the description of the YouTube video. If you have any kind of question or query, please let me know. Thank you. Have a great time. Please find below mentioned references are given for this video.